Wanted to do a video this morning looking at two different designs for basically the same building with a very slight change that makes a huge difference on the price of the building itself. And you'll be able to see them. If you look, both of these are 40 by 50 foot building, 12-foot eave height. The roof pitch is a 312. They look almost identical. You can see this one on the left has some bracing cables. If you look really closely, you can see an extra couple of lines here on this bay, on this frame. And the reason that is there is for extra bracing for the building. The reason this one on the right does not have that bracing is because it's not needed in this particular one. And the reason why it's not needed is because of this placement of the walk-through door. You can see this one on the left where the walk-through door is on this front wall, and the one on the right, we have moved that walk-through door around the corner to the side of the building. This building on the right, you can see this is the numbers from on our pricing on the steel package. The weight of the steel on this one is about 11,300 pounds. The price of the steel package is $11,000. The one on the left, you can see, is about 12,900 pounds, and the price of the steel is about 13,315. So you can see what a dramatic difference just the placement of one walk-through door or one location of one door or one opening in the building can make in the building. About $2,300 difference just in the cost of the steel itself. One with a walk-through door on the front, the other with a walk-through door on the side. We built a building a few years ago for a gentleman that had a similar situation to this, where he had a walk-through door on the front of the building. It was supplied, the steel package, we did not supply it. Someone supplied it for us, and we actually built the building for him. But whoever supplied that steel package to him did not indicate to him, didn't tell him the difference in the location of the door and what a difference that would make. So he probably paid an extra $1,500, $2,000, maybe as much as $2,300 difference in the steel package because of the placement of that one door. For a steel company that sells steel, they actually make a higher profit on the heavier building. They won't make quite as much profit on the lighter building. Basically, it means that the person who is selling the steel, or the company that was selling the steel, didn't have the best interest of the customer at heart. They were looking for what their commissions were going to be, or what their markup was going to be, what their sales were going to be on it. This one we now have under contract. We're moving forward with this building. Of course, we're doing the building on the right, that 40 by 50 building. The owner didn't care that much if that walk-through door was on the front wall or around the corner to the end wall, and so moved forward with it. Anyway, that's it for now. Again, this is Chet Wilkins with Sentry Builders, Santan Valley, Arizona. Until next time, we'll see you soon.